You can never have enough of this recipe. You guys, let's make one pot jollof rice and beans and mackerel fish. First, you want to season your fish. I'll add salt, seasoning cube, rub it in, and set aside to marinate. Next, I'll fry the fish. Once it's golden brown, I'll scoop it and set aside. In the same oil, I'll add my chopped onions, fresh curry leaves, stir and allow to fry until translucent. Next, I'll add my chopped garlic, blended peppers and more onions, seasoning cubes, salt, and dry catfish. You guys, I don't joke with onions when making this recipe. Generally, I love onions. So if you see so much onions in this recipe, just know that I'm doing me. So do you when making yours. Stir and allow to fry. Next, I'll add my parboiled rice and cooked beans. Stir very well to combine. Next, I'll add my coconut milk. Stir and taste for salt. Now, add the fried fish, cover and allow to cook on a medium to low heat until done. At this time, it's ready. Serve and enjoy. Very delicious, as always.